Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Roku Voice Remote is probably one of the most essential accessories for any Roku user, transforming your viewing experience with unparalleled convenience and control, allowing you to effortlessly navigate through your favorite channels, search for content using just your voice, and even control your TV's power and volume, making it an indispensable tool for anyone looking to maximize their entertainment setup and streamline their interaction with the Roku platform. Number 5. 2-pack replacement remote for Roku Express, Premiere, Box, Player, 1-4. Tired of losing your Roku remote? This is the perfect replacement for your Roku Express, Premiere, and various Roku models 1-4. Get back to streaming in no time. Please note, this remote is not compatible with Roku sticks or Roku TVs. It also lacks volume control, a power button, headphone jack, pairing button, and voice search functionality. Ensure your original remote does not have a pairing button before purchasing. This remote is specifically designed for Roku Box, Roku Express, Roku Player, Roku Premiere, and Roku models 1, 2, 3, and 4. It offers a straightforward replacement for your existing remote. Enjoy quick access to your favorite streaming services with 4 dedicated shortcut buttons. Easily launch Netflix, Sling, Hulu, and Disney Plus with a single press. No complicated programming needed. Simply insert 2 AAA batteries, and it's ready to use right out of the box. It responds quickly to your commands, up to 8 meters away. Each package includes 2 replacement remotes and 1 user manual. You'll have a spare ready to go, ensuring uninterrupted entertainment. What we like. This is a straightforward replacement for basic Roku boxes. If you just need a simple remote to control your older Roku Player or Express device and don't need any advanced features, this is a great option. If you're looking for a budget-friendly, no-fuss solution for a secondary device or to replace a lost basic remote, this 2-pack is ideal. What people say. The Roku Voice Remote Pro has a sleek, modern design that fits comfortably in the hand. Voice control is incredibly responsive and accurate, allowing for quick searches and commands. The dedicated shortcut buttons for streaming services are a convenient feature for quick access. Number 4. Roku Voice Remote Pro, First Ed. Never worry about batteries again. This remote features a rechargeable battery that powers up with any standard USB charger, ensuring it's always ready when you are. Simplify your entertainment setup. It controls your TV's power, volume, and streaming functions, eliminating the need for multiple remotes. Misplaced your remote? Just ask, "Hey Roku, where's my remote?" or use the mobile app to find it instantly, saving you the hassle of searching. Immerse yourself in your favorite shows without disturbing others. Plug in your headphones to enjoy private listening at any volume. Navigate your entertainment with just your voice. Say, "Hey Roku," to search, launch channels, and control captions without ever touching the remote. Choose your preferred voice control experience. Easily switch between hands-free commands and push-to-talk with a simple flip of a switch. Customize your experience with personal shortcut buttons. Set them with your voice to quickly launch playlists or adjust settings with a single press. What we like. For those who want the ultimate convenience and cutting-edge features, this is the remote to get. If you love using voice commands for everything, want the ability to find your remote easily, and prefer a rechargeable option over batteries, this premium remote is designed for you. It's perfect for users who want a seamless and powerful control experience for all their Roku devices. What people say. The Roku Voice Remote Pro has a sleek, modern design. It offers excellent voice control functionality, allowing you to search for content and control your Roku device hands-free. The remote also features dedicated buttons for popular streaming services, providing quick access to your favorite apps. Number 3. Roku TV Remote 2-pack. Introducing a convenient 2-pack of replacement remotes specifically designed for your Roku built-in TV. These are perfect for a wide range of brands including Hisense, TCL, and many more. Please note, these remotes are exclusively for Roku built-in TVs and are not compatible with Roku players, sticks, or other TV systems. Always double-check compatibility before purchasing. Enjoy seamless navigation with 4 dedicated shortcut buttons for Netflix, Amazon, Hulu, and YouTube. Jump directly to your favorite streaming services with just one press. Forget complicated programming. These remotes work right out of the box. Simply insert batteries, and you're ready to control your TV instantly. Experience enhanced performance with an extended transmission range of up to 40 feet and a rapid 0.2-second response time. The durable buttons are built to last, ensuring reliable control. Confirming compatibility is simple. Check your TV's physical branding for the Roku logo and look for the distinctive Roku startup screen and sidebar menu. What we like. This remote is specifically designed for those who have a Roku TV built into their television set, not a separate Roku player. If you own a compatible Roku TV from brands like TCL or Hisense and need a basic, reliable replacement with quick app access, this is your go-to. It's perfect for users who want a simple, direct replacement for their TV's original remote. What people say. The Roku Voice Remote Pro is a great upgrade from the standard remote. It has a sleek design and feels good in the hand. The voice control feature works very well, allowing you to search for content and control playback with simple voice commands. Number 2. Acoyer 2-pack replacement remote for Roku TV. Never worry about losing your remote again with this convenient pack of 2 replacement remotes. They are designed to work seamlessly with your Roku TV. Getting started is incredibly easy. Simply insert batteries, and you're ready to go, no complicated pairing or programming required. These remotes are specifically designed for a wide range of Roku TV models from popular brands like TCL, Hisense, and Sharp. Access your favorite streaming apps instantly with dedicated shortcut buttons. Enjoy precise control from up to 30 feet away. Built to last, these remotes have been tested for over 160,000 clicks. Plus, they come with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. Please note that these remotes are exclusively for Roku TV models and are not compatible with Roku sticks or boxes. What we like. If you have multiple Roku TVs in your household from various compatible brands, this 2-pack is an excellent value. It offers the convenience of having a backup remote readily available and provides quick access to your favorite apps. If you're looking for an affordable and functional replacement for several Roku TVs, this pack is a smart choice. What people say. The voice control is very responsive and accurate. Easy setup and intuitive interface. The remote has a comfortable grip and good button placement. Number 1. Roku Voice Remote Gray. Introducing the Roku Voice Remote in sleek gray. It's designed to give you seamless control over your Roku experience. This remote is perfect for all Roku TVs and players. It's compatible with a wide range of Roku devices, ensuring a perfect fit. Tired of multiple remotes? This enhanced voice remote simplifies your entertainment setup. It includes convenient buttons to control your TV's power, volume, and mute functions. Jump directly to your favorite streaming channels with ease. For shortcut buttons allow you to access popular content with a single press. Unlock the full potential of your Roku device with voice commands. Simply press the microphone button to launch channels, search for shows, manage captions, and switch inputs effortlessly. Beyond your Roku player, it also controls your TV. Use the voice button to search and manage your TV's power, volume, and mute settings. What we like. This is the versatile option for anyone with a Roku TV or a Roku player, offering voice search and essential TV controls like power and volume. If you want to upgrade your current remote to one that can search with your voice and manage your TV functions without switching remotes, this is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for users who appreciate the convenience of voice commands and integrated TV control. What people say. The voice remote is a great addition to the Roku system, making it easier to find content. Setup was simple and the remote paired quickly with my Roku device. The voice search function is accurate and responsive, allowing for quick navigation through apps and channels. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.